Welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Hi, I'm Benji.
And today Benji looks a little frozen.
Lucy, I have a problem.
Oh no, what happened?
I put water on my desk.
I understand you, but we can say it more naturally. You can say this. I spilled water on my desk.
Spilled. That means the water came out by accident.
Exactly. If the cup falls or the water goes everywhere, you spilled it.
Okay, I spilled water on my desk. That sounds bad, but true.
It is useful English, not fun, but useful.
My notebook is wet too.
Good sentence. And if the desk is wet, say it clearly. My desk is wet.
My desk is wet. My notebook is wet. My life is wet.
Haha. Maybe just the desk and notebook today. Okay, the desk is wet. So what do you need now?
I need paper?
Close. You need something to dry the desk. I need a paper towel.
A paper towel, like soft paper for cleaning?
Yes, you use it to clean water, coffee, or small messes.
I need a paper towel, fast.
Good. And if you want to ask another person for it, make it a simple question. Can you pass me a paper towel?
Can you pass me a paper towel?
Perfect. That is clear and polite enough for everyday life.
Okay, but my phone is near the water.
Then we need one more sentence. Say what you need to do now.
I need dry it.
Almost. Say I need to dry it. I need to dry it.
I need to dry it. Short, useful.
Yes. And if you want to sound more specific, say this. I need to dry my desk.
I need to dry my desk and maybe my notebook. Wait, my laptop is next to the water.
Then say the danger clearly and move it first. My laptop is near the water.
My laptop is near the water. That sounds scary.
It does. So now we need a simple action sentence. I need to move it away.
Move it away means put it in another place?
Exactly. Away means not close to the water.
I need to move it away. Very useful.
And if someone wants to help, they can ask this. Do you need help?
Yes, please save my laptop.
Ha ha ha. First, move the laptop, then dry the desk.
Okay, laptop first, desk second, panic third.
Maybe no panic today.
Right? I can use English and fix the problem.
Right? Now, let's hear the small story slowly. Everyone listening, do not repeat yet. Just listen. I spilled water on my desk. My desk is wet. Can you pass me a paper towel? I need to dry it. My laptop is near the water. I need to move it away.
Okay, I can understand that. It sounds like a real-life small problem.
Exactly. Simple English, but real life. Now let's practice out loud. Benji, this is for you and for everyone listening. Practice together with us.
I spilled water on my desk. My desk is wet. Can you pass me a paper towel? I need to dry it. My laptop is near the water. I need to move it away.
Nice. Now let's make it a little more natural, like a real moment. Oh no, I spilled water on my desk.
Here, I have a paper towel.
Thank you. My notebook is wet too.
Do you need another one?
Yes, please. I need to dry it quickly.
Is your laptop okay?
I think so. I moved it away.
No problem.
Today we turned one small accident into useful English.
I can say I spilled water on my desk.
Exactly. And you can ask for help with one clear sentence.
Can you pass me a paper towel?
Before we go, we have one question for everyone listening. What is one small accident you can talk about in English? Maybe water, coffee, or food.
Write one sentence in the comments. We would love to read it and cheer for you.
Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.